Hello, my name is Al-Hassan Bayoumi. I work as a staff accountant at a public accounting firm which provides accounting and tax services to outside clients. My role is to transform clients' financial records into accurate tax returns, supporting work papers and useful financial information. I assist with individual and business taxes, financial statement engagements, and client communication. My critical activities include obtaining complete information from clients, reviewing accounting records, reconciling accounts, or comparing balances with supporting documents, and documenting my work. I use CCH engagement, an electronic system for organizing documents and recording completed procedures. I also prepare tax forms and clear CCH tax diagnostics, which are software warnings about missing or inconsistent information. These activities are critical because one missing document or incorrect balance can affect the final work delivered to the client. One important lesson from my MBA program is continuous improvement, especially the Plan, Do, Check, Act model or PDCA. This means planning the work, completing it, checking the results, and making improvements. I applied this model to a food and beverage client group with several related businesses and a financing company. I reviewed each company's accounting records and reconciled cash, inventory, equipment, amounts owed by customers, amounts owed to suppliers, revenue, sales tax, and debt. I also examined how the businesses were connected before preparing partnership tax return. BDCA helped me approach the engagement as one connected system rather than many unrelated accounts. A second lesson comes from performance management and project management. These courses taught me to establish priorities, measurable goals, and consistent processes. During 1 week, I handled 10 tax engagements involving returns for individuals, trusts, partnerships, and small corporations. I prioritized them according to deadlines, complexity, missing information, and review status. I measured my progress based on completeness, accuracy, timeliness, and readiness for my supervisor review. The structure helped me remain productive without sacrificing the quality of the work. A third lesson involves leadership and communication. The program taught me that leadership does not require a management title. I applied this lesson when explaining a path through, a technical term, a path through taxation to an individual client. This means business income is transferred to the owner from the owner and reported on the owner's personal tax return. I explained how income moved from the business return through a schedule called Schedule K, which summarizes the owner's share and ultimately appeared on the Form 1040, that is the individual tax return. Combining technical terms and familiar terms make it easier for the client to understand the process and provide the necessary information. My MBA program has also strengthened my ethical judgment and accountability. Deadlines are important, but they are never to justify incomplete work or unsupported assumptions. I now communicate missing information earlier, document my conclusions carefully, and request clarification when needed. Overall, my MBA program has helped me apply continuous improvement, performance management, leadership, communication, and ethics to my accounting responsibilities. These lessons help me organize complex engagement, manage deadlines, explain technical information clearly, and maintain professional standards. I'll continue applying these methodologies and terminologies to improve my performance and contribute more effectively to my organization and to my profession. Thank you for listening.